to create account to HubSpot free AI content writer.
So in here, you just need to just search free AI content writer by HubSpot in order to get to this particular homepage. So you can also see in here the preview or screenshot of what this tool will look like. So let's click on this get started free right here in order to sign up for an account. You will have in here numerous options. You can sign up with Google, with Microsoft, with Apple. So for this right here, let's continue with Google. And then you should be able to just sign in or sign up using your Google account right here. So I just sign up right here using my Google account. And then once you have done so, they will ask for your name right here. So I'll head over and put in here my first name and my last name. And after that, click on next. And then in here, it will ask you if you used this software before. So let's put in here a no. And then in here, it will ask which problems you want to solve. Click on no. And then it will ask the industry you're in. So for example, for this case, let's choose technology and services. And then let's choose owner right here. And then just put in here your company name. For this one, let's click on this next. And then just put in here how many people are at your company. And then put in here as well your company website. Head over and click on next. And then just put in here your data. So I will choose United States and click on create account. Then for that, it will actually get your account ready. So just wait for this to finish the loading process. So in here, it will set up your CRM. So just pick what you need HubSpot CRM for. So for example, let's use this for customer service. And now in here, you just need to choose a service template. So for example, you can see here this track support tickets, manage customers or renewals as well. So just apply the template you want to use, but you can also set it up manually as well. Then just add some context that you want for this case. And then once you have added them, you can head over and click on continue. You can also add teammates, but I'll just skip this right here. Now it will apply your service template. And then from in there, as you can see in here, this checklist that's been checked or thoroughly, and it will take you to the HubSpot content writer. Once you're on their website, you should be able to see their dashboard right here, and it will just onboard you on the lines.
So that's how you create account to HubSpot free AI content writer. Hope we helped.